Hello guys, good morning and welcome to part 2 of my blog in Ooty. If you haven't checked part 1, you can find it in the description box below. Today is my third and final day in Ooty and we've decided to take the toy train today. We have just reached the toy train station to catch the first train for today. We had come yesterday itself to book a ticket so that we don't miss out on getting a ticket for today because we did not find one yesterday. Here you can find the ticket prices and the timings of the train. Udagamandalam. This is the actual local name for Ooty. And as you can see, the train runs on a narrow gauge which has been used since the time of the British. We reached here early, so I've got a few minutes before the train arrives, so let's go check out the museum. Well, there's the train that we will be traveling on today, and as scheduled, it's on time. It's such a beautiful sight to look at. The train is made up of three types of coaches: first class, second class, and general class. I've made another video which gives more information of this ride in detail. You can check it out in the description. The train station still maintains the old tradition used during the time of the British, and the station is very clean. We have now been waved off and are ready to go, so let's start the journey and enjoy the view that comes along. We have now reached the Kannur railway station, which is our final destination for today. The train will now back up onto the main platform line, which is to my right. We will need to wait for about 20 minutes to get our train ride back to Ooty. Until then, I'm gonna explore the station and see what it has to offer. Well, as you can see, I'm pretty lucky today. This is the actual steam engine train that ran from Ooty to Mettupalayam during the British Raj. It's called as the Nilgiri Queen. But now, due to the additional carriages and steep hills between Ooty and Kannur, it's been replaced by a diesel engine. So if you want to ride this, you need to take the train from Kannur to Mettupalayam. After a wonderful train ride back to Ooty, we have now reached the Ooty boathouse, which is just a few kilometers from the train station. The crowd is pretty decent today, so let's get in and enjoy the ride before more people come in. These carrots, the dry flowers, and Ooty chocolates is something that you have to buy on your trip to Ooty, so don't forget. I'm at the ticket counter. There is a ticket to enter the boathouse and then a separate ticket for the boats themselves. Well guys, that's the end of my journey in Ooty. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out.